Ta-da! Stop. Hi guys, my name is Layne with Layne's World Kids Teaching Kids World's TV on YouTube. Today we're going to be making an ornament. I'll show you what it looks like. Get over here! Sorry about that, YouTubers. I just want it to be funny. And this is the glass, and this is a cap. So this is what we'll need: a cap, or I meant the glass and the cap. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna write Layne KTK in green letters, and then on the other side, I'm gonna draw the picture of my YouTube channel, but we haven't drawn it, so let's get to it. Okay, it shows the YouTube play button and the robot, and then on the other side, it shows the letters saying Layne's World KTK, of course, and yeah, and then I got it from this photo right here. I didn't do all of it, but that's what my YouTube channel looks like, because I know you guys are gonna say, hey, that's his YouTube channel stuff. And yeah, anyway guys, if you guys are new viewers, you should check out my shorts too, because my shorts haven't gotten anything. And yeah, the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the ornament. Alright, now we're gonna roll it up, which looks like this kind of. And now this is the first one. This is where you gotta have it in the right spot. Fit. It's like in one of those movies when villains open up those bottles, kind of. Or from SpongeBob, you can say. And whoop. Ta-da! Alright, now we're gonna put our fingers in there and then try to like unfold it, kind of, so that I can help it not be folded. Okay? Alright. And boom. It shows the robot with a happy smile on the YouTube one. Now we're gonna scroll on now we're gonna put on the cap on it. And then what you do is you kinda have to pull these parts up so that they don't get stuck inside. See? Like that. So it has the robot with the YouTube play button, and then on the other side shows it saying Layne World KTK. And Merry Christmas, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys haven't yet. Click that bell so you can get all of the notifications from me.